In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQs on Richpanel. If you're aiming to enhance your customer service experience and provide immediate support, having a well-organized FAQ section is key. Let's dive into the steps to effectively manage and add frequently asked questions to your Richpanel dashboard. First, you'll need to access your Richpanel account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the self-service section, where you'll find the knowledge base. This is the central hub for creating and organizing all your FAQ topics and articles. It's an indispensable tool for managing your customer support articles. In your knowledge base, you'll notice two main categories or sections broadly referred to as general topics and order topics. These might already be established based on your existing structure, but you can rename them according to your brand's specific needs or categories. The idea is to ensure your FAQs are sorted into categories that make sense for your customers. Start by navigating through each topic to add new articles or entries. Let's take order topics as an example. This section might include queries that your customers frequently have about their orders. To address these common questions, you can create entries like how to track my order, how to cancel or modify an order, and what happens if my delivery is delayed. Each of these titles should be clear and straightforward, directly addressing customer concerns. Next, turn your attention to general topics. In this section, think about questions that pertain to broader issues your customers might face, such as account management and payment queries. Examples of entries for this section could be how to reset my password, what payment methods are accepted, and returns policy overview. These are crucial for helping customers navigate their general inquiries with ease. For each article you create, it's important to start by writing a clear, concise title or headline. This title should reflect the main concern addressed in the article. Then proceed to add detailed content under each title. Make sure to provide comprehensive steps, instructions, or solutions, and use images if necessary to make the solutions clearer and more digestible. Once completed, be sure to save or publish each article to make the information accessible to your customers. Lastly, it's crucial to ensure that your knowledge base is visible in your customer portal or widget. This visibility enables your customers to easily browse through topics and find the answers they need, effectively reducing the load on your support teams and enhancing customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you'll create a well-structured, informative, and easily navigable FAQ section that empowers your customers with the information they need at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your customer service on Richpanel.